going now. We're going now. Ow!
So my wife shows up the other day and she's like, look, honey, I found this really good deal on a zipline kit for kids. And I'm like, we have no trees. And she's like, not my problem. So I did what any good husband would do. Threw it in the back of the shed. But daughter number 1 was saying, Dad, it's daughter number 2's birthday really soon. You gotta get that zipline kit set up for the birthday. And get to work, and I trip over this I-beam every day, and the wheels started turning. If this I-beam happened to be standing straight up, that could be the second point I need for a zip line. Blew some holes in the center of the beam, gave a couple different heights depending on the slope, clean up the slag. Then I blew some holes in the side so I could put some shackles on, and that would give me my side supports for my stability. I can lift this by myself. I just need a couple pieces of wood to kind of give me that extra inch or two I need, and I can slide her in. Okay, whatever you do, do not allow your cable to turn into this. I pulled all that wire through, and then all I had to do was slowly drive forward, and it would stretch out the cable. And I just kept going. I didn't know I was going to go this far, but it just felt right. Why not a longer and longer zip line? Have you ever tried to untie a slinky? Is it over, under, or under, over, and then you tie a knot with it? Man, it's one of those brain teasers. Then I installed 3 cable clamps. This Amazon return kit from our local market was missing a few pieces, one of them being the turnbuckle, but that's okay because my truck is the turnbuckle. I can tension it as much as I want by pulling forward. We are ready for the party. You know what? The height is like perfect. That it can just hit the ground if needed. Whoa, she's ripping. Oh! Whoa!
There you go. Woo!
Oh boy. Wow, there we go. Oh, we're going now. We're going now. I'm slowing down. Wow!
Hitch-mounted zipline system by Auto.